Hey everybody, Mush here. I just want to give you some updates about what we're doing in class in lieu of being able to actually meet in the mill. Some of the things that we're doing as we are doing this whole remote learning experience. For creative design and engineering, we're picking from a couple of different projects that we provided. We have a 3D modeling project where you're trying to create a model of a tool that could have been used by a real or fictional character in a book, movie, comic book, what have you. And you're going to recreate that tool in a 3D modeling program of your choice. A lot of folks are using TinkerCAD, some are exploring things like Fusion 360 or Minecraft. Going to be a lot of neat kind of recreations of different stuff out there. We also have a coding project. Our coding project, we're sketching out the design of a playing card front and back, and then we're using processing coding language to recreate those designs using code. So you actually can tell the code how to draw lines and shapes and combine them into different combinations to make a playing card recreation from your own design. We're also doing a pop-up card project where we're exploring using the materials that we have, cardboard, paper, tape, glue, what have you. We're making some pop-up cards, increasingly complicated designs of pop-up cards. We're starting with just basics. We're making that version and we're making more and more complicated one, coming through probably with 2 or 3 different versions till we get one that shows a really neat amount of complexity and some engineering choices with the design of the card. On top of that, some folks in CDE 2 and 3 are coming up with their own designs for projects. I know we have some kids working on cars, we have some people that are building stuff in or around their house. There's a lot of exploration going on. What we're really trying to do is make sure that we capture what we're learning, what we're practicing, what we're getting better at. And that's kind of the whole goal of the spirit of our projects while we're doing remote learning for creative design and engineering. For our coding and computer science classes, we're doing something similar. We have a couple of different projects that we're picking from. The honors coding class is working through a 3D game design called Project Boost, where we're going to model our own little spaceships and get them to fly through a challenging obstacle course. Kind of like Flappy Bird, except a little different. And you'll see as we keep going what those wind up looking for. The advanced topics crowd is working on a bunch of different projects of their own choice. We have some basic game design from bare bones, not following a tutorial. We have some folks that are working on game mods. We have some people that are following tutorials to make their own games. A lot of game-based stuff that's going to be really cool to share as we go along. We've been doing a lot of checking in on our WebEx, meeting pretty much every day with all of our classes. We have some work going on in our Discord, so if you haven't joined that yet, you're welcome to hop in there and see some of the discussion that's going on, some of the interaction about project design and stuff we've learned, and we're sharing some of our screenshots and captures as we go in there so you can follow along with the progress. A couple of resources I want to share with you. Of course, be checking PowerSchool for all the updates that we're doing in terms of any changes to class or our projects. That's the first place it's going to get posted. And then if you're looking for something to do, if you're looking for something to do outside of class, or if you're looking to get inspired, head on over to the Instructables website. I'll drop a link below. You can see all sorts of different projects that are there. I know Creative Design and Engineering 2 used Instructables as an inspiration for what their blog pages look like this year, and it's great. You can find all sorts of different projects in a variety of different topics, different media. Some things are digital, some things are physical. There's a lot of different projects there, and it takes you through step by step. The coolest thing is that it's all user-generated stuff. So if you wind up making a project that you want to share with everybody else, you can drop that into Instructables as well and have other people follow along with your process. It's kind of one of the biggest inspirations for some of the projects as we look for new stuff to do, so definitely check that out as a resource if you haven't yet. Spend some time just browsing there and just get inspired by that. That's pretty much it for now. I just wanted to drop in and give a general update in terms of what we're working on, and as we get more examples of our projects and ready to share in the share phase, I'll be sure to check back with you for some of those. Hope everybody's doing well, hope everybody's staying well, and can't wait to see you all again.